Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Recently I've been working on a project in which I needed to do some data animation. So I've got data like the one you're seeing here, and I wanted to do this data animation to include it in a video. I'm not sure if you have seen some Vox style videos. They do really cool and great data animation in their videos. So I wanted to do something similar. So I've got this data. So this is an example. I think this is the best-selling video games of all time. I'm not sure if the data is accurate. Anyway, I've tried to find ways to do this in After Effects, and I've seen this really good videos by Workbench. Well, the problem is that it's a little bit complicated, and it involves some kind of coding and expression writing. So I really don't have time to learn how to do this in After Effects. And what I needed is something that is simple, easy to do, and gets the job done. So I think there is a good alternative, and I think you know it well. It's PowerPoint. So let me show you an example of this. So the animation that you're seeing right now were made using PowerPoint. So PowerPoint is not really the software that we refer to and go to usually. It's not our first destination when it comes to doing motion graphics and all of that stuff. However, if you need something that is simple, straightforward, gets the job done in no time, then I think you will get some decent results if you do this in PowerPoint. But you need to do some tweaking because the default settings really look awful. So I'm going to walk you through this really quickly. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first you need some kind of data. So I've got this here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this and go to PowerPoint, and I'm going to just paste it. So, okay. Let me just pull this down a little bit. So what you need to do is to do some kind of animation, something basic. We don't really want something that is off the top. So I'm gonna look for Y. Now the default settings, as I said before, are not really that good. So we need to do some tweaking. The first and most important thing to do is to go to chart animation and change this from animating everything at once to making animation by series or by category. So let's go by category. Another thing that we want to do is change this from, let's say, very fast to maybe fast. Because if you do this right now, you'll see that it's a little bit, so I think this is a little bit slow. So I'm gonna make it very fast. But I want the background to appear slowly. So the way to do this is to go to the background and make it medium. Now, I think the result's going to be better. So we'll have this really nice, slow appearance of the background. And then we have this a little bit quicker appearance of the bars. So if you're looking for something decent, something that does not involve writing expressions or coding in After Effects, I think PowerPoint offers really good and decent data animation in it, but with the tweaking that you have just seen. Hopefully you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.